Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see, we are going shopping together like the besties that we are. I'm gonna head out now. I asked you guys on Instagram a few days ago where you wanted to see me shop at. I asked if you wanted to see Five Below makeup or if you wanted me to go shopping to Dollar Tree, and it was such a close tie, but Five Below won. So that's where we're going today. I am upstairs, but I'm all ready. I have my outfit of the day. I'm wearing some comfy shoes so I can walk around. These are some Reebok shoes that Brian got me a while ago. I'm wearing some shorts that are honestly not that comfortable, but it is so hot outside. I got these from Ross. These were supposed to be like mom shorts, but they're a little too short for my personal style and taste. But since I've gained so much weight after I had Lincoln, like this is the only thing that kind of fits me at the moment. Excuse me. And then I'm wearing just this oversized t-shirt. I'm sure you guys have seen it. It's from Pink. It's really, really cute. And then I'm just wearing a pink hat. I'm wearing a Michael Kors watch. And then I always get asked where my earrings are from. These are from Target. So I think those are the details in case you guys wanted to know what I am wearing. But yeah, let's now go shopping to Five Below and see what kind of makeup we find. Let's go. And we've arrived to my section. So here they have a bunch of masks. This brand sold at Walmart, but I forget what free. They have lip masks, face masks, hair masks, soaps, pretty much anything you can think of. So let's try to take a full face of makeup. Oh my gosh, LA Colors Berry Kiss. I have this palette. Cool. These are actually pretty cute. Little French manicure nails, which I'm not using nails right now. I'm giving my nails a break. But those are cute. Look at these. How cute are these? Super duper cute. And I know that these are plastic, but even then, they're still cute. So let's take a bronzer. So here we have the LA Colors Shape It Up Sculpt and Contour. Okay, this looks pretty promising. Should we take this one? This one is $3. There's also this shimmering bronzer, which you guys know how I feel about shimmering bronzer. So maybe we can take this one since it is all matte. Let's grab her. We have Wet n Wild, which I already own this foundation, but they have LA Colors, and I've actually been wanting to get a new foundation. I had one, and then I'm pretty sure it expired, so I just threw it out. So this is in the shade Sand, but they have more colors over here. So let's see if maybe I can find my color. Okay, I'm gonna take two. These are $5. I'm gonna take Golden Beige and Sand because I think these are the ones that I used to have. And you guys, this foundation is so good. It's like full coverage and super matte. Not super matte, but it's nice and matte. So I'm gonna take both of these. Okay, I like to go in order so I make sure that I buy everything. So let's go in with primer. So this is a brand that I don't think I've tried it. W7 Keep It Glassy Illuminating Primer. They also have a 24K primer. But the other day that I was in here, I saw a different primer. Hopefully we can find it. Oh, I see it. It's this one, the Blur to Perfection Faux Filter Primer. This one is supposed to just make your skin look super blurred out. I don't know. So we're going to try this one. I'm pretty sure this one is $5 as well. They have Chique Cosmetics. This is actually a brand that I genuinely love. This Juicy palette, I used to have it, and then I'm pretty sure I gave it away to one of my friends. This palette is so good. Like, the quality in these, you guys, is amazing. Very similar to the Kylie Cosmetics palettes. I'm not sure if I'm going to take this one, but this is definitely worth the $5. If you guys find these, definitely get some. But we have some lip glosses on the bottom. Let's see. Smoke and Mirrors, The Dye Party. Okay, not really my style, but it does have some glitters and some highlighters on the bottom, and the palette itself is actually really cute. We have here some more palettes. This one looks pretty nice. Glitter, if you want all glitter. Lip glosses, and they have some like lipsticks. Bella Pure Lip Culture lipsticks. These look pretty cute. They have this bronzer down here by that brand W7, but these look more like highlighters. Yeah. So for highlight, I'm gonna give this one a try from the brand W7. Hopefully this works out for me. The other one's a little too dark. And then I think I also want to try their palettes because I've never tried any of their palettes. This one seems a little too light for like my personal taste. So maybe let's go in with the Bare All palette. This one looks really pretty. I'm tempted to try this one, but I honestly don't have high hopes. So let's keep it safe. I'm only going to buy one palette and try this one out. Let's take one of these lip masks because why not? Ooh, so they have this Restoring and Nourishing. This is brightening, and this is brightening and exfoliating. So let's take this one. It has coconuts, so I'm thinking it smells like coconuts. Okay, so for concealer, I'm really not seeing anything else besides the LA Colors Ultimate Cover, which is absolutely amazing. I already have some of these. And the Incognito Concealer by Wet n Wild, which I also own. So I think I'm just going to use what I have. I'm sorry, like, I don't see anything else from any other brand. I found these brushes, and honestly, they look pretty amazing. So I think I'm going to take this set because it comes with a pretty good variety of face brushes, but I'm also going to take some of these. I'm going to take this one, and I think this one I can use it for blending out like the concealer. And then let's see, so I can use that for blush and bronzer, for highlight, and then for the eyes. So let's take one, either a face brush or a sponge. If I don't find a sponge, then I'm going to have to take this one, but we'll see. So far, I'm going to take this one, this one. So it seems like Wet n Wild is the one brand that has the most variety of products. So I'm going to take a Wet n Wild blush in Pinch Me Pink, and then I'm going to take their matte setting spray. I don't think I've ever tried this one, so I'm kind of looking forward to hopefully liking this. And then for my lipstick, I have not tried these, the Cloud Pout. These are supposed to give you like a marshmallowy feeling to the lips. So yeah, I'm excited for that one. This is the only nude. Okay, if you know me, you know that these lashes are just not my style, and they're super low in stock of your lashes. But look at what I just found. Boom! These are a little bit more up my alley. Never heard of this brand, but girl, you bet we're gonna try these. Ooh, they do have sponges. Okay, I'm gonna take sponges because I prefer sponges over brush. Ooh, okay, so I don't even know what time it is. It's almost 7 p.m., which is super late, and I don't even want to talk about the mess that we have going on, okay? If there is one room in my house that I allow to always be dirty, it's my makeup room. 90% of the time, my room is looking like this, and that's because I just hate cleaning it after I film. But anyways, I came home and Lincoln was napping, and so I kind of took the time to just put some stuff away obviously not my makeup in here. But, you know, mom life, so one thing led to another, and here I am, hours later, finally talking to you guys. I'm quickly going to show you what I ended up buying at Five Below. I will definitely be doing a full face using Five Below makeup. I spent close to $100. It was like $95, but not everything was like makeup. I think about like one or two things, or maybe a few things that weren't makeup. Hopefully this camera is focusing on me. Gosh, I look like a hot mess. Anyways, I'm gonna try not to talk too much because I tend to do that. So let's go through what I got as far as brushes. I only got 2 brushes. These are the Chique 5-piece everyday face kits. These are cruelty free, which I thought was pretty cool. It does come with what seems to be 2 face brushes and 3 eye brushes. I'm really excited to try these. I hope that these are a really good brand, because a set of 5 for $5, it's not bad, and it's really cute. So got those. Pretty sure, yeah, I just said these were $5. This one, I don't remember how much it was. I think it was like $4 and some change, $4.50, $4.25, something like that. It is the Chique Pro. Is this the same brand? Yeah, it's the same brand. Chique Pro Angled Blender Brush. And these are also vegan. So that is pretty cool. I'm really excited for this one. As you can see, it's like a flat top brush, but it's small enough to use it for underneath the eyes, which is what I want to use it for as concealer. Oh my gosh, this camera. Okay. So those brushes I got. I ended up getting this little sponge set, which is also cruelty-free and vegan. This is by the brand Gina Beauty, and I liked it because it came with 3. One tiny one for underneath the eyes, and then a medium one, and then a larger one. Supposedly these contain vitamin E, pearl powder, and green tea. We're going to see about that one. This one was $4.25, and the packaging is super cute. If you guys remember, I ended up picking up the LA Colors Shape It Up Sculpt and Contour Palette. Después, I was like, I should have like paid attention to the bronzing colors. Like, these bronzer shades are not going to work for me. But I do have some other bronzers that I might just throw in there for fun from LA Colors. We'll see. They didn't have another shade though. So this one's called Shape It Up, and I will use these to set underneath the eyes. I got 2 foundations, which I know I'm going to love these because these are some of my old favorites that I haven't used in a long time. LA Colors Truly Matte, Sand, and Golden Beige. I'm pretty sure I have to mix both of these to get like my perfect shade. I also got a matte finish setting spray from Wet n Wild. I don't think I've tried this one in specific. I have tried their other ones though. Their coconut setting spray, and there was a little ant. Their coconut setting spray, and I don't know what else. Oh my gosh, what is that? It's like a little fruit fly. But yeah, looking forward to trying that. That one was $5. This is the W7 Bronze Brilliance Bronze and Glow palette in medium dark. This one as well, I'm pretty sure it was $5. These lashes, I'm actually really looking forward to them. I honestly don't think they're going to be the best. Like, I can tell you by the band. The band looks really thick. Can you guys see that? Maybe if my camera can focus. The band on them looks really thick, and I feel like they're not going to be curled up. They're just going to be like straightforward, but we're going to work with what we have. Let's see. I ended up getting this. I don't know if I even showed it, but this is a contour lip liner in the shade Brandy Wine. You guys know that I love lining my lips with a brown lip liner, and this was the closest shade that I could find. This one was only $1, and y'all, I ain't got no business buying nails. I was just talking in another video that my nails are super weak and super fragile, and I'm not planning on doing my nails, but I couldn't pass these up. These were just so cute. The color, the shape. I've been wanting to try this like almond stiletto shape, and I mean, these are just little press-ons, so maybe I can try them on later on. I don't know, we'll see, but I just couldn't pass these up, and I believe these were like $4.50. I got the W7 Blur to Perfection Full Filter Primer Potion. This one I'm really excited for. It's supposed to be just like super blurry, and we're gonna see, because I don't know, it looks pretty promising. I got a lash glue from LA Colors. These kinds of things kind of make me nervous, but I don't think they would make anything that would damage your eyes. Fingers crossed. From Wet n Wild, I picked up a blush in the shade Pinch Me Pink. This is such a light pink. And then this one I'm excited for. It is the Wet n Wild Cloud Pout Marshmallow Lip Mousse in the shade Fluffer Mutter. I don't have my glasses. And then last but not least, I got the Wet n Wild Dark Brown eyeliner. I know this is going to be good, and I've been really into a brown eyeliner. So that is everything that I got. Oh, I also got a lip mask, which I am excited to try these. And then I ended up getting Lonnie a calendar for her room, which we already put that up. That is it. That is everything that I bought at Five Below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's shop with me video. If you guys want to see more like these, definitely give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notifications so you never miss any of my videos. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, for being here, for just loving me and accepting me me and my little channel. So yeah guys, have an amazing day, night, or morning wherever you are in the world, and I will send you cyber hugs. Love you and have a blessed day. Mwah. Bye.